Hello friends, I'm Ashish Dubey, working finance profession for last 30 plus years, and I find MS Excel is one of the tools which is very helpful for effective data collation and data analysis by accounts people. And it is not only useful to accounts people, it is also useful to other people in working in various business or various technical fields as well, to collect their data, to analyze their data, to predict and to do budgeting and lot other things. So I will suggest everyone to use this time when business is down, when things are not moving in right direction, to upgrade your skills, to learn something new. And my advice will be go for MS Excel, which can be a very basic tool, but will be very effective as a profession and in your professional life. Thank you very much and happy learning.
I am Ashish Dubey, working as a CFO in a listed company. I have more than 30 years of professional life experience, expanding from various different type of companies, from pharmaceuticals to automobile ancillaries to infrastructure company and processing plants. During these 30 years of service, I have been instrumental in knowledge upgrading of many people, making sure they take a right career decisions. They do reach to a good heights in their life. I have been working on various fields of academic interest for students, for working professionals who have just started their careers and things like that. I'm associated with various peoples in the field of education. Mr. Surjit Shah is one of them. Interestingly, I found like he has created a very good concept of school for all, where he has been taking a very good initiative for making sure he is not only expanding education to the needy ones, to the people who are not into a right kind of mindset to select their career paths or their requirements. So he's taking very good initiatives. He's very instrumental in driving this school for all concept among various um, towns and villages across. Besides that, he's also trying to tie up with corporates so that the education reaches to right people and it's well supported by others as well. I would urge each one of you during these difficult times to be associated with certain good values, good thoughts, and good initiatives. So my urge would be please get involved with certain projects like this and push forward such kind of thought process. I will wish Mr. Surojit a very best for his project. Thank you.